Hi, welcome to the video. I'm Emmanuel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the top website for you to draw inspiration from as a graphic designer. Do well to hit the subscribe button so as not to miss any updates from this channel. Let's get started. The first website on the list here is called FreePic, www.freepik.com. Freepik.com is one website I use in generating most of my concepts. They have good social media ads templates. They provide good templates and also examples on what you're trying to create, like the projects you're working on. Freepik.com also offers you PSD files, mockup, and also text effects. Some of their files may be premium, while most are for free, as the name suggests. Freepik.com. You can visit the website today, www.freepik.com, and type on the search bar whatever you're looking for. Their website is pretty responsive, and yes, they allow you download 10 free stock images every single day. 10 free stock images, and they also provide you with templates and also examples of projects that you may be working on. One easy and interesting thing about Freepik is that their search engine is very unique, and their filter is very responsive. They give you the opportunity to actually filter out if you want your searches to go for either premium pictures, PSD files, and so on. Freepik.com, yeah man, it's really dope. You can go check out the website. If you're a creative person, then you should be on Behance. Behance is one website that most professional designers go to draw inspiration and also share their work as an inspiration to other designers. The Behance website is very responsive, light, and also easy to use. By the time you're creating your account, they're going to be asking you the 5 main fields you are interested in so that they can easily project those feeds on your timeline. So if you're creating an account in Behance, it's very easy. Use your Google account and then straight up it open. You can also download the app on the Google Play Store or the iOS store. The website, I use it most times, and yes, it's very responsive. They give you free mockup that you can use, free mockup fonts, and also PSD files you can use while making your design. www.behance.com is a very good website for designers who want to go by the trend of what's happening in the design industry. If you've been complaining of not being creative for most of the time or lately, then you haven't been on Pinterest. Pinterest is one hell of a website that you can get very good inspiration from, ranging from posters to flyers and even social media ads. Pinterest.com is a website that gives you insight into different fields, ranging from design, sports, architecture, art, and stuff like that. This website for me is really easy to use, and one interesting thing is that when you open an account on Pinterest.com, any image you see, you can easily save. I can see at the right hand side of the screen, you can easily save this design, and it's saved on your account. Having an account on Pinterest is no big deal. Just add your Google account, create a password, and voila, your account is ready to go. There are different posters, as you can see, very attractive posters that can serve as inspiration to you. They also provide wallpapers and also gives free stuff like PSD files and font. If you know you're enjoying this video at this point, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button so other people can actually see this video, and please share to your friends and every other person you think this video might be helpful to. The next website on the list is called dribble.com. Dribble.com is one website that most UI and UX designers use when creating the outlook of the, the application. Dribble.com offers you a platform where you can get easily inspired by other people's work. And yeah, most people using the Adobe XD program actually mostly use this site most. The UI UX industry, where you can talk about the user interface and user interaction of an application. Dribble.com also offers you a platform where you can hire other designers or be hired as a designer. They offer fonts, and yeah, the logos uploaded on this website are also very dope. You can easily get inspired by what other people have created or what they are creating. Yeah. So if you're looking to get much inspiration on creating a logo, I think dribble.com should be the first website you should actually come to. It also provides you with nice fonts that are trending in the graphic design industry, so you can easily come to dribble.com and get inspired for that next project. If you're working on a project that actually requires you creating a logo, then designspiration.com is the website for you to come to. Design Inspiration provides you with trending logo that are very good looking and inspirational for you as a designer. The designs and logos on this website are absolutely stunning. You can visit this website on your spare time or when you have a job in hand for you to complete. The logos are very intuitive, creative, and also very eye catching. So when you're working on a next project that involves you creating a logo, then you should head into www.designspiration.com. Really being taken to you for watching this video to the end. Please ensure that you do subscribe, like, share, and also rewatch the video. Until next time, guys, edit your past, design your future, and chase the impossible today. Peace out.